Well guys, as you can see, Camacho's car is off the jack stands, which only means one thing: the bags are officially finished. Ooh, look at that.
Finally.
All done, dude.
Finally.
Ooh.
Nice.
Look at this trunk setup, dude.
You guys ready? It's just a cover up. Bang.
Oh my god, dude. I like that. I like that.
It's a work in progress. When we were installing the bags to calibrate everything, we had to mount the compressors, so we didn't want to mount them, so we just taped them.
I guess it worked, dude. Look at that.
We got everything calibrated, so
yes, technically the car is officially on bags, but it's still not 100% complete yet. The first thing that we need to do is get Camacho's fenders rolled. I was actually supposed to take his car over to Ruben's to get him rolled on a Saturday because Ed couldn't, he worked. But then I got a job, so I wasn't able to take his car down to get him rolled. Second thing that we need to do is all of the camber adjustments on all four corners. I believe the rears are kind of maxed out already on those new lower control arms. The fronts we still need to do with the top hats. And the last thing, speaking of those new lower control arms, I don't know if you guys noticed in the last video, but Camacho's toe got really wacky after we installed those. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but the rear side of the wheel is poking out quite a bit, and then the front side goes into the wheel well just a little more. So his toe is really wacky right now. So to fix that issue, Camacho ordered some adjustable toe arms that should be here next week. After we install those, we'll do all of the camber adjustments, and then the car should be ready for an alignment. But for now, super happy that all of the install stuff is done and out of the way. Huge shout out to our boy Rico, who came out the next day and finished everything up for us. He's the one that got the tank in there and made everything work. One little thing that we got to take care of today is I think that I routed these two lines wrong. So the front and the rear is in the wrong spot on the manifold. So what we're gonna do is jack up the car, release all the air out of these two bags, and then switch the lines. So that one, and then the second one.
Yeah.
There we go, we fixed the issue. What was happening is we were trying to get the front to sit at 25 PSI, but this side wasn't lowering. So that's how we found out that the lines were switched up. But now, as you can see, this side is definitely lowered. So I don't know if you guys remember in the last video, I told you guys that I couldn't believe that Camacho actually sent it on the bags. And I told you guys that he wasn't done just yet. You guys know Camacho is a huge fan of carbon fiber. So I wonder what this stuff could be. What do you want to open first, Ed?
Big one.
Big one right here? All right, let's do it. You guys probably already know what it is, but go for it, Ed. Dude, that carbon looks crazy right now. I don't know how well you guys can see this on camera, but the sun is hitting it literally straight on, and it looks crazy. Look how happy Ed is, bro. That thing is so sick. It's so sick, dude. There it is, guys, a carbon fiber hood. I'm gonna be installing that today. Damn, dude, I'm so happy for you. Look how nice that is.
I hated about my car was my hood, because the winters are not like good for a car. So there's so many like rock chips on my hood, so I hated it.
And these vents too, these are sick, dude. Now this part over here has been sitting at my house for like a month or more, huh, dude?
Yeah.
It's just been sitting there. We haven't installed it. I think Ed was waiting for the bags to be on before we did. So check it out, guys. You know Ed, more carbon. This is an APR carbon front splitter. Damn, dude. So this is a splitter, guys, in the sun. But just look, I can't get over the hood, dude.
It looks so savage.
It just looks like a bunch of sprinkles all over the hood.
It's crazy.
So what we're gonna do first is remove the hood struts and then unbolt the hood from the latches. All right, OEM hood is off. Dude, run it like that.
Yeah.
That looks dope. Nice, so everything on this carbon hood, I believe, is already pre-drilled. So on these newer STIs, they're nuts now. The studs come out of the hood. All right, here we go. Let's see how light this thing is.
It's pretty light.
Oh, dude. Yo, bro, that shit's crazy. Oh my god, guys. Dude, the car is so different now. The way the sun hits this hood too, I can't get over that. Bro,
They look
you
savage.
fucking did it, dude. Savage, Ed. The install was so easy too. Everything was already pre-drilled. The fitment is literally perfect all the way around. I'm gonna just walk around and let them like enjoy it, dude. Just like look at it from every angle.
Dude, the way the sun hits it, it's crazy.
What do you guys honestly think about this hood? Honestly, for me, I wasn't a huge fan of the carbon hoods on these newer STIs because I always felt like the hood should have came down all the way, like on the GDs. I just always felt like this line right here was a little awkward. But honestly, seeing this now on Ed's car, I'm hyped. This is sick, dude. It changed my mind for sure. So next up, we're gonna be installing the carbon splitter. Ed already got the bumper off, and for now, he wants to mount it just to the bumper, not chassis mounted. I know that's how a splitter is supposed to go, but for now, we're just gonna do the bumper. All right, guys, we're gonna start drilling. We marked all the holes where we think they need to be. Honestly, we didn't really measure much. We just kind of winged it, but I think we should be good. Couple hours later and this thing is finally mounted. I hate doing splitters, probably one of my least favorite things to do, but it's finally on. I can't wait to see what it looks like on Ed's car. Install went pretty well, except I accidentally sent the drill in a little too deep, so now Ed has a hole in his lip, but he's gonna carbon one anyway, right?
Eventually. For now, you can live.
All right, bumper is back on. Ed is gonna air out as far as he can, and then we'll close the hood and give you guys the full look with Ed. That looks so sick, dude. There it is, guys, all done. Damn, dude. Look at this back view right here, dude. Damn. Let us know what you guys think in the comments down below. I think my favorite thing about this splitter is that it doesn't poke out on the sides. It just comes straight, follows the line of the lip, and then it comes out towards the front of the car. Let us know in the comments what you guys think about the hood and the splitter. Honestly, the hood, I didn't think I was gonna like, but it's crazy, dude. That's gonna be it for today. We will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.